Cybersecurity for manufacturers in 2026 is no longer just about protecting data. It's about uptime. It's about safety. It's about revenue. Attackers are no longer focused on stealing information. They're focused on shutting down production, and that changes everything. The line between IT and operational technology continues to blur. Factories are connecting legacy equipment to modern networks. Remote access is common. Supply chains are digitally integrated. The attack surface is expanding. Mid-market manufacturers have become prime targets because they depend heavily on uptime but often lack layered security maturity. The most damaging cyber incidents in 2026 won't just be data breaches, they'll be operational shutdowns. We're talking about halted production lines, delayed shipments, safety implications, and customer contract risk. In manufacturing, cyber risk becomes operational risk. Let's look at the top threats manufacturers will face. First, ransomware. It remains the fastest way to halt production. Most attacks begin with phishing or stolen credentials in the IT environment. Once attackers move into OT systems, downtime escalates quickly, and the cost of downtime often exceeds the ransom itself. Second, OT disruption. Operational technology controls physical processes. When OT is disrupted, machines stop. Safety can be affected. Production halts. Traditional IT security tools don't always work in these environments. Attackers exploit weak segmentation and shared credentials. Third, supply chain breaches. Vendors often have remote access into plant environments. If that access isn't monitored or segmented, attackers can move laterally across systems. One supplier compromise can create widespread operational disruption. And fourth, AI-driven phishing. Attackers are using AI to craft more convincing messages. Credential theft remains the most common entry point. From there, they look for paths to production systems. Several structural weaknesses amplify these threats: legacy equipment connected to modern networks, limited visibility on the plant floor, flat networks without segmentation. These gaps turn small breaches into facility-wide shutdowns. So what should manufacturing leaders do now? Focus on reducing operational exposure. Establish visibility across IT and OT. Segment critical systems. Secure and monitor remote access. Test incident response with operations involved. Cybersecurity should support production, not compete with it. Here's a simple check. Do you know every system connected to your plant floor? Could a phishing email reach production systems? Are backups tested for operational recovery? If the answers are unclear, risk is already present. Cybersecurity threats facing manufacturers in 2026 are not theoretical. They affect uptime, safety, and customer trust. The earlier you understand your operational risk, the more control you have over avoiding costly disruption. Assess your manufacturing cyber risk today. Take control of your digital future.